This channel has found a new style in the animal niche by creating these easy-to-make videos. As you can see, this channel posted 4 videos to test this method, and one of the videos has gained thousands of views. There are many successful channels in the animal niche that make thousands of dollars, but no one creates videos like this. So, you have the opportunity to be among the first in this new style. I made these videos using tools that offer free daily generations, and I'll show you how to generate the images, create motion, and make a complete video. Okay, to make our video, we first need to generate an image that looks like this. So, to come up with an image like this, we first need to create prompts that will generate the images for us. So, to do this, we need to teach ChatGPT to write the prompts for us. And for that, we need some existing images. And to find an image that will serve as an example for me, I will go to the channel where I found the video and take a screenshot of one of his videos. And now I have an image that I will use for myself. Now I'm gonna upload it to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Describe this image in detail and in a point-wise manner, and hit enter. Now ChatGPT has given us a detailed prompt to create a unique AI-generated image. As you can see, it gives us face details, head and body, lighting and mood, and even art style. Now, I will copy this prompt and go to an image generator like Leonardo, AI, Midjourney, or Kling AI, which brings us to the second step, generating the images. Now, this channel uses images generated in Midjourney, but since Midjourney is not free, we will generate them in Leonardo AI and Kling AI, and trust me, one of them will produce a result like Midjourney. So I'm going to show you both tools to see which one gives us better generations. Let's go first to Leonardo AI. Just sign up and go to Image Creation. Go to the left side, click on Model, and choose Phoenix 1.0. And then set the ratio to 9:16 for the vertical short format. Now let's copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt section in Leonardo AI. And click Generate. And here are the results. Not bad. You can use these images, but they are far from what we want. Now let's check Kling AI. Go to Kling AI, and on the left side, click on Image. Paste the prompt in the prompt section. Select the 9:16 ratio and click Generate. And just look at the result that Kling AI gave us. The monkey is made of leaves, only the color is different. But now, let's make it look like the original image that we took. The prompt remains the same. We will just go below, and here, where it says Upload a reference, we will upload the image from the screenshot. We will select Subject and click Confirm. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit and set the face reference to 80%. And we're going to do the same for the subject reference and set it to 80%. And we're going to click Generate. And look at these amazing images. If we compare the images from Midjourney and Kling AI, we'll see that they're identical, but we need more prompts for other animals to prove that Kling AI generates good images and that we can use them for our video. And to do that, let's go back to ChatGPT and we need to write. Take the example from the prompt I will give you and create the same type of prompts for 10 different animals. Remember to follow the prompt strictly and not change the material. These animals cannot hold anything in their hands, only the orangutan can, but the others cannot. So make them just stand without holding anything. If you create a prompt for a parrot, you should describe it as standing on a tree branch and so on. Here is the prompt, and we will copy the orangutan prompt as an example and click Enter. And the bot will give us 10 prompts for 10 different animals, and now we will test them. So let's copy this prompt and go back to Kling AI, paste the prompt here, and click Generate. And as you can see, Kling AI gave us great results again. And now I'm going to copy the rest of the prompts, paste them, and generate the rest of the animal images. Once we're done with the images, now it's time to download them because we're going to move to step 3. Step 3 is where we are going to animate these images. So, if you're searching for the best AI tool to transform images into videos, Kling AI is the top choice right now. Here's how to use it. Head over to Kling AI's homepage, go to your left side and select Video. Upload your image here. And in the prompt field, we need to write a prompt for the animal to make a movement. So all you need to do now is simply paste this ready-made prompt into ChatGPT, and now I'll explain what this prompt is about. In this prompt, we have a request that the bot give us a precise and simple movement for each animal, and that the prompts should not be longer than 50 letters. And when we press enter, you can see that for each animal, we have a perfect image to video prompt. Now we're going to copy the prompt that's for the orangutan, and we're going to paste it into the prompt field in Kling AI. We'll scroll down a little, and here this one stays standard. Here, we're going to select 10 seconds, and finally, we're going to click Generate. And in a few minutes, we'll get this video. Now I'm going to download this video and create the other videos. And now, let's check some of the results. Pretty impressive, right? With these AI-generated clips and some simple editing, you can create videos that might go viral. Now I'll show you how to do that in the next step, which is step 4. In step 4, we will put all the clips together using a video editor to make them look as good as possible for this type of content. For this, I'll use a free tool that anyone can use, CapCut. Now let's open CapCut and upload all the clips from Kling AI. Before we start adding the clips to the timeline, we need to find the best music and some sound effects to bring the video to life and make it feel real. So for free royalty-free music, we can use Pixabay. For these videos, I prefer to use African music. Just type African and you will get a ton of music we can use for free. Let's listen to some of them. For sound effects, we'll search for something like birds or nature and download some of them. But if you want to take it to the next level, you can use a paid tool. I use the Upbeat platform. You can use it for free, but I recommend getting a subscription because it offers thousands of songs and sound effects, and you won't have to worry about copyright issues on any platform. Now, once we download the music and sound effects, go back to CapCut, upload all the music, and add the music to the timeline. Now let's change the video ratio to 9:16 for the short format. Now we will arrange the clips one by one on the timeline. The next thing we will do is enlarge them a little to hide the watermark. If you think the clips are too long, we will shorten them a little and adjust them to focus on the animal's movement. We will also lower the music volume so it's not too loud, and we will add the sound effects. Now, if you want, you can add transitions, but that is your choice. You can also leave them without transitions. For effects, I will not add anything, but if you prefer, you can. And once you are done and have set all the clips, we just need to click export and export the video. And these are the results. I think it looks great. People would probably enjoy watching something like this. If you agree, let me know in the comments. I hope this helped you understand the quickest and easiest way to create this video, and I hope you're now excited to start your YouTube or TikTok journey. If not, check out this other video on a different niche that could be perfect for you. Just click on the screen and you'll be taken to the video.